Hi, Grant Warrington with Warrington Group. I'm a realtor downriver, and I wanted to ask, was your house recently for sale downriver and didn't sell? If so, why? I wanted to go over a couple of things with you. When you make the decision to put your house up for sale and it doesn't sell, it can be very frustrating. So what I recommend, give me a call. We can go over it. First of all, we can go over what we do is go over the marketing plan. What was the plan to sell your home other than just putting it on the MLS? For instance, open houses, were there any done? Did you implement the 10-10-20 strategy that I like to implement? We can go over that in more detail. What that does is that gets a whole neighborhood involved in selling your home. Also, professional pictures, were there any taken? The quality of the pictures is huge because most people are going to look at your house online first, and what those professional pictures do is it keeps them clicking through to the next one before they even actually go out and view your home. The other thing is the verbiage in the listing description. We can go over that and see if it accurately represents your home and describes it in the best light possible. The other thing is the price. We'll go over the price and what are some of the comparable homes in your neighborhood selling for now, and we'll see if that's accurate. And if you happen to sell your house for sale by owner or put it up for sale by owner, that's great. Just keep in mind that while you're comfortable selling your home on your own, 89% of buyers are not comfortable buying a home on their own. So 89% of buyers do use a realtor. So you're just limiting your pool of buyers. So keep that in mind. Again, Grant Warrington with Warrington Group Real Estate. Give me a call if I can go over any of these questions with you. Did I mention it's free and confidential, no obligation? We could just have a conversation, see where you're at. And in 2020, is it the right time to list your home again? I don't know. Let's talk about it and let's see. And as always, how can I help you? So please reach out and we can talk. Thanks a lot.